suppose back in 1978 when we acquired the property, but really back on a cold February night in 2019 when the tool building caught on fire and burned not just to the ground but literally underground. And those of you who came by and looked at the foundation saw that there was really nothing there left. And while it was devastating in many ways, we discovered some things. And one of those was that as a result, we have views from this spot that we knew the view was there. We could go up on the hill and show the view. But the removal of that 4 stories of building suddenly opened up this whole central part of the property to those views. And so as our board got together and tried to figure out, all right, what are our next steps for the rocks? And let me say that we had all options on the table. We could withdraw, our infrastructure was gone. Do we really want to invest in this community and put energy and money and time into this? We're a statewide organization, we could go elsewhere. We could shrink to just running a Christmas tree operation and not think about doing all of our other educational programming and our other businesses like weddings and the bus tours that you just saw go by and our wildflower stuff and the maple program and all that kind of stuff. We could shrink or we could expand. And if we expanded, what would we need to do? These were big questions that moment in time caused us to think about. There is interest and demand here north of the Notches. And I mean not just immediate place here, but I mean here to the Canadian border in our core mission, land protection and forest management. And so one of the most important things that we decided as an organization is that we were going to invest in this place, but we were going to not invest just in this place, but in this place as a campus, a place from which we would extend our mission and put more effort into conserving land in the north. We also wanted this to continue to be a local place, a local walking spot. We wanted it to be a tourism resource. We wanted it to be a community gathering place. Our classroom in the old tool building was a place where many other local groups met. Sam and DeLay and Milestone have created a renovation project that keeps the character of this 1884 stone barn, but on the inside creates a state-of-the-art net zero building where we're going to have a large solar array up on. And upstairs, the space will host offices. Some of our staff. We will have more people working here in order to affect the work.